Alright, so today I'm going to be bringing you my DJ Asterisk Dirt Jumper bike check. So most of this is custom. It was a complete bike at one point, but the guy before me that I bought it from did a bunch of stuff to it. So we'll run through all that, starting at the top. And before you guys say, oh my gosh, you quit BMX, there's no more BMX videos, just chill out. I'll make more. It's just, I've been riding more mountain bikes lately and I just bought this, so obviously I want to use it. But there'll be more BMX soon. So at the top we have ODI machine lock-on grips. So these are really nice because they are way easier to put on and take off than other grips, and they add a little style with the gold. And then the bars are Gravity alum bars. These are 3-inch rise, and I believe they're Kamali, I'm not sure. But next up we have the stem, which is a gold black market stem. Another nice gold accent to the bike. And then the top cap is like Cane Creek, so maybe that's what the headset is, Cane Creek, I'm not sure, because again, I bought this bike from someone else used. And then going down to this fork, I actually put this on before this fork. There was a S&M pitchfork on here, but I swapped it out for a suspension fork just because I want to have a little insurance if I case a jump or if I overshoot it. It'll just be nice to have. So this is a Solo Air fork, and it's made by Manitou. It's called the Manitou M30, and it's freaking really nice, and it's also very light. This is about the same weight as the S&M pitchfork that I took off here. It might be a little heavier, but overall it's pretty darn close. The price of this fork compared to other ones, like RockShox new, is much better. I know you're going to say, well, it's still really expensive because it's $180. A RockShox fork with the same kind of specs as this Manitou fork would be about $60 to $100 more, so that's why I got this one. Next up, the front wheel. I'm not really too sure what it is. I'm pretty sure it has sun rims though, and I don't know about the hub. It might be a stock wheel, but it is really light. It's like incredibly light, and the guy said it was a sun rim, but as you can see here, there's no stickers or anything to identify it with, so I don't know if he was pulling a fast one on me. For the tires, we have Maxxis DTH in the front and back. So you gotta love Maxxis. If you ride Maxxis, you know that it's rare to get a flat compared to other tires. If you're riding Maxxis, they're just like beast tires. They're not paying me to say this, so I wish they would give me some free stuff, but they're just overall really like the best tires for mountain biking. So we have Avid Bb7 Brakes with the Shimano M system cable, and these things are freaking beasts because they're cable actuated brakes, but the brake pads in the back have adjustable things, so if something's go untrue, or say you bend your disc at the trails or something, you can actually adjust it while you're there. You don't have to wait till you're home or get tools. So that's really sweet. And then the frame, this was a DJ Asterisk complete. So this is a full Kamali frame. It is 22.5 inches top tube, which is pretty long for these bikes. It's for taller people like myself, so it's good. Wind noise. Moving down to the back, we have Vault pedals with gold adjustable pins. So these are metal pedals obviously, and they're sticking out pretty far. These are all adjustable, so if I wanted to have it a little less grippy, I could do that. I just haven't gotten around to like changing it. The chain, I think, is just some kind of like stock chain, some kind of generic thing. And then the sprocket right here is a giant 28 tooth sprocket. So not that it's actually like physically giant. Giant is a brand, obviously. And then I don't know what the cranks are, but I know they're Kamali, probably stock again. And then moving on to the back, we have a Sunringle MTX rim. It's 26. Both of these are 26. Obviously, I'm not gonna have 127 and 126 on the same bike. And then in the middle here, in the hub, I don't know what the spokes are, but the hub is a Hope Gold hub, which these are pretty sweet hubs. They're on par with like Profile and stuff. You can see how it has this little thingy on the side here. I'll do a hub sound for you guys. So yeah, this hub is pretty badass. And that should be everything. If I miss something, I'll put it in, but thanks for watching. And I'll put in a couple clips of me jumping some dirt on the end here. And yeah, subscribe for more. See you in the next one.
Dude, that case that's so bad. Oh. Holy shit. God damn. That's fucking gnarly. God damn.
No.